Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today, we will go through some important current affairs questions that are frequently asked in competitive exams. Ready to boost your GK? Let's go! Comment below how many you got right. Like if you love GK quizzes. First question is, which of the following is observed on 14th April 2025? A. National Maritime Day. B. Baisakhi. C. World Health Day. D. Civil Services Day. The correct answer is B. Baisakhi. Next question is, what is the date for World Heritage Day in April 2025? A. 18th April. B. 21st April. C. 25th April. D. 28th April. The correct answer is A. 18th April. Next question is, 22nd April is observed as A. Earth Day. B. International Girls in ICT Day. C. International Mother Earth Day. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Next question is, which institution has notified the recognition and grant of equivalence to qualifications obtained from foreign educational institutions regulations 2025? A. Niti Aayog. B. University Grants Commission, UGC. C. All India Council for Technical Education, AICTE. D. Indian Certificate of Secondary Education, ICSE. The correct answer is B. University Grants Commission, UGC. Next question is, which country's parliament recently passed a law criminalizing same-sex relationships? A. Iran. B. Iraq. C. Vietnam. D. Egypt. The correct answer is B. Iraq. Next question is, what is the name of the military exercise conducted by the Indian Air Force following the Pahalgam terror attack? A. Exercise Vayu Shakti. B. Exercise Akraman. C. Exercise Shaurya. D. Exercise Thunder Strike. The correct answer is B. Exercise Akraman. Next question is, Kinshasa city, which was seen in news due to flood, is the capital of which country? A. Nigeria. B. Sudan. C. Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. D. Cameroon. The correct answer is C. Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Next question is, Nepal celebrated its first ever National Yak Day on which day? A. 20th April. B. 21st April. C. 22nd April. D. 23rd April. The correct answer is A. 20th April. Next question is, SpaceX, Space Docking Experiment, is a technology demonstration mission developed by which organization? A. CNSA, China National Space Administration. B. JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. C. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. D. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The correct answer is C. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. How many did you get right? Comment below. Subscribe for more quizzes and stay ahead in current affairs. Thank you for joining us today.